Welcome, in front of me I have Nokia 216 and today I'll show you how you can plug charger to this phone. So at the first you have to grab your phone like that and you have to find micro USB port. It's right here. So you have to grab your cable with charger and then you have to put it like that. Take a look. And after that, okay, it's not charging our phone. Okay, it is right now. So after a few moments, the device will be activated when you plug your charger and you will get on the screen the battery level and how the charge goes. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.